In this video, you will be introduced to the Color Range Selection tool. My name is CJ Robb, and I'm your facilitator. Let's get started. The Color Range tool is helpful when you have too many small pixel areas to pick using the magic wand, and when the lasso or the marquee tools also do not work on the object you're trying to extract from the background. To begin this lesson, open the file by going to the File pull-down menu to open. Browse to find the file. Go to the Select pull-down menu to Color Range. If Color Range is grayed out, that means that you have no layer current in the Layer panel. On the Layer panel, make Layer 1 current. Go back to the Select pull-down menu to Color Range. Hover the Color Range tool over the white pixels, or the area that you want to select for removal. Next, set the fuzziness setting on the Color Range panel to 20, and then pick OK. All the background pixels should now be selected, as you can see with the marching ants. Go to the Edit pull-down menu to clear. Once the white pixels have been removed, deselect the area by going to the Select pull-down menu to deselect. Go to the File pull-down menu to Save as a Copy. Save this file as a PNG portable network graphic file so that you can use this image in a composite illustration in a future project. You will go on in this assignment to add more features. We need to save the Photoshop working file. Go to the File pull-down menu to Save As and name this Your Last Name tree.psd. Make sure the format is a Photoshop format and embed the color profile. The next step is to add a new layer on the Layer panel. Name the new layer Background Fill. Position the new layer at the very bottom of the Layer panel. Drag below Layer 1. Make the Background Fill layer the current layer. From the main toolbar, select a contrasting color for the new background fill. I will select a blue color. You can pick any color you want as long as it is contrasting and not white. Next, go to the Edit pull-down menu to Fill. Make sure that Fill is set to foreground color, 100% opacity, and normal mode. The objective here is that you can see at a glance you have successfully removed the majority of the white pixels from the original file. The contrasting pixels you've added to the new fill layer will help me see whether or not you're successful. Go to the File pull-down menu and Save as a Copy. Choose JPEG as the file format for this submission. The quality of compression, which is on the second screen of the saving process, should be between 8 and 12. The nature of a JPEG file retains the background layer. You will turn in this file as your last name tree.jpg. I'm CJ Robb. If this video was helpful to you, subscribe to the station CJ Robb Classes on YouTube at Charisse Janelle. Hey, thank you for watching.